Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. June 1 na po, 2023, Thursday. At umpisa na naman ang panibagong buwan. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Ang ating featured news ay tungkol po sa Metro Pacific. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Sa ilang sandali, ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSEI ngayong araw, ika-1 ng Hunyo. Dito lamang po sa The Stock Market today. Ang ating headlines ay matatagpuan po natin sa BDO Securities. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas said May inflation, which will be released on June 6, may have decelerated to 5.8 to 6.6. The House of Representatives also adopted the Senate version of the Maharlika Investment Fund Bill, which is expected to be signed by President Marcos before his State of the Nation address on July 24. Bank lending growth slows to 9.7% in April. Eton Properties plans township project in Cebu, and MPI studies pivot to food and logistics industries. Pero main news po natin ay galing po dito sa PhilStar. Metro Pacific to delay the listing pending final tender offer report. Metro Pacific's will delay its voluntary delisting from the stock exchange as the company's major shareholders wait for the final fairness opinion and valuation report for the tender offer. In a regulatory filing on Thursday, MPI said it received a request from a consortium of shareholders that would make the company private to defer the vote on the approval of the listing. Metro Pacific explained that the consortium had wanted to make the report available ahead of the company's annual stockholders meeting on June 6, so that minority shareholders would be informed about the basis of the tender offer price. Unfortunately, the report has not been finalized and the bidders will not be able to provide a copy of the same to the company before the annual stockholders meeting, Metro Pacific said. That said, Metro Pacific granted the consortium request, adding that a special shareholders meeting will be held at a later date once the report is finalized. Deferring the shareholders' approval will allow the report to be made available prior to the special stockholders meeting. Under the company's delisting plan, the consortium of major stockholders would buy out minority stockholders at a price of $4.63 per common share. The group of shareholders is composed of Metro Pacific Holdings, GT Capital Holdings, Mid Pacific Infrastructure Holdings, and MIG Holdings. Iyan po ang ating main news. So mabuti naman at merong third party na tumitingin doon sa fundamental or true price ni Metro Pacific. Kasi po kung titingnan po natin ang study ni BDO Sec, ang Metro Pacific po, tingnan po natin ang conglomerates. Metro Pacific, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 560. Yan po yung kanyang fundamental price, 560 po. Or 25% or 26% pa yung kanyang upside as against 463, no? Yan po. So may pag-asa po tayo mga minority. Okay. So let's take a look now at the index. PSE index, naku, bumagsak po siya. I-refresh lang po natin ha. Bumagsak po siya, nasa 46 or 6430.58, 46.78 points down. Yan po. So, lagyan natin ng indicators. Naku, head and shoulders siya. Actually, yeah, head and shoulders siya. Oh. Ito. Pero hindi eh. Kasi meron dito eh. Pwede mo sabihin reverse head and shoulders, but nevertheless, it's down 46.78. Ano? Market activity, 105 companies declined, 78 ang umabante, 50 ang hindi nagbago. All share index down din, 0.42%. Ang financials at mining lamang ang umakyat, samantalang ang holding companies, industrials at properties at services ay bumaba. The most active stock is BDO, up 0.74%, followed by Ayala Corporation, SMPH, Monde, and Ali parehong down. So, isa lang po umakyat sa top 5. So, ang titignan po natin ay LTG, yung nag-figure out sa Diyos kanina. Metro Pacific, tingnan po natin siya. And then, yung top and most active stock is BDO, followed by ICT, umakyat po si ICT, and CNPF. So, yan po ang titignan po natin today. Okay. Unahin po natin si LTG. LTG, bumaba po siya ng 17 centavos. Yan. Pero, puro dalawang red engulfing siya, followed by green, no? Tapos dalawa uli. So, nasa support level lang po ito. Support level na po ito eh. Yan. Yan po si LTG. Tapos may resistance kasi dito na naging support. Nasa 940, 941 support level na po yan. And it has reached oversold levels here. Yan. Po si LTG. And earnings-wise, kumikita po yan. Yan po. First quarter, nasa 9.08% up compared to the first quarter last year. 2022 earnings ay up din 47%, which is good. Fundamentally, it is good itong LTG. Tingnan natin yung presyo po niya, conglomerates, LT Group buy rating 1190, ang target price 24.2% ang kanyang upside. Next is Metro Pacific. Kasi at one point, umakyat po yan eh. Pero relatively, dito lang po siya naglalaro sa area niyan. So 4.37, at one point na 4.48, ano? Yan. High of 4.51. But relatively, it is in this level and it's on overbought, no? So ito po, kung gusto niyo pong ma-realize yung inyong gains, pwede na po kayong mag-sell ngayon rather than wait for the tender offer. Pero ako po, as for me, I will be waiting for the tender offer because I think the fundamental price is higher than 463. In the meantime, ang pinaka-resistance po niyan, halos resistance area na po ito. Nandito po siya. Yan, 438. More or less ang resistance level ni Metro Pacific. And the support is near this level, 423. BDO naman. Si BDO, nag-level, ano lang siya eh. ano si BDO ayan, no? There is a sort of a flag here. So it's approaching support level already, no? Kasi umakyat po siya ng closing po niya noong April 27 is 144. Ngayon po ay nandito po sa level na ito. Yan, 136, ano? Pinaka-support level niya. And the higher resistance nasa 143. So, napaka-narrow lang po ng nilalaro ni BDO. More or less, nasa EMA 20 po, 133, 134. Ang pinaka-support level po niya. But the earnings-wise, maganda po, no? 2022 earnings is 33, almost 34%. The first quarter is even more impressive, 40.44%. Yan po si BDO. ICT naman, si ICT, okay, meron siyang bounce, but generally, it's on a downward trend, no? And I see the support here at 196, pero malapit na po sa 201, and resistance is here, this level at 205 to 206, more or less. So first quarter earnings respectable, 11.45%, or 9.36 billion. The 2022 earnings is up 41, almost 42%. Net income is 37 to 30, almost 38 billion. Yan po si ICT, more on the bearish side right now. Ngayon, fundamentally, magkano ba siya? ICT, International Container Terminals, may buy rating po siya. Target price is 258 or a 32.3% upside. And then CNPF, meron po siyang bounce dito. May 25, ang laki ng bagsak dito, but there is a bounce right now. And I see a support forming here, 22.57, no? But it's still bearish dahil nga yung ating moving average natin nasa taas po ng candlestick. But the RSI has reached oversold level noong May 24 at 25.83. Yan. Ngayon po, pinaka-resistance po niya, nakikita ko po sa area to, 2601, more or less. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-1 ng Hunyo. Ito po si Benji Chudoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.